If you want to keep your home network safe and private, installing NordVPN directly on your Netgear Nighthawk router is one of the best things you can do. This protects every device in your house automatically without installing anything on each device. And if you still need NordVPN, there is a link in the description to try it for a great price. Before we start, let me explain something important. NordVPN will not work on every Nighthawk router. Your model must support VPN client mode, and your firmware must be updated. Some people also face issues because their internet provider blocks certain VPN protocols. But for most Nighthawk routers, the setup is simple once you follow the right steps. First, open any web browser on a device that is connected to your Nighthawk router. In the address bar, type routerlogin.net and press Enter. If that does not work, you can type the router's IP address, usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Log in using your admin username and password. If you never changed them, your username is usually admin and your password is password. When you are inside the router dashboard, look for the Advanced tab. From there, find the VPN section. Some Nighthawk models call it VPN service and some newer models call it VPN client. You need to enable the VPN client option. If you only see VPN service and no place to enter your VPN details, then your router only supports running your own VPN server, not connecting to a VPN provider. In that case, you will need a model that supports VPN client mode or install custom firmware like DDWRT. Most newer Nighthawk models support VPN client mode right away. After enabling VPN client, you will see an option to upload configuration files. These files come from your VPN provider. If you are using NordVPN, go to your Nord account dashboard and download the OpenVPN configuration files. Choose the server location you want. You will get a zip file. Extract it and you will see files ending with .ovpn. Go back to your Nighthawk router page and upload one of those .ovpn files. The router will ask you for your VPN username and password. These are not your normal account login details. For NordVPN, you will find your service credentials inside your account under VPN settings. Copy your service username and password and paste them into the router fields. After you upload the file and enter the credentials, save the settings. Now, click Connect. Your router will take a few seconds to connect to the VPN server. Once connected, every device using your Wi-Fi will be protected through that VPN tunnel. To confirm, open any browser and search for What is my IP. It should show the VPN location instead of your real one. If the VPN does not connect, check a few things. Make sure your router firmware is up to date. Some older versions do not support stable VPN connections. You can update it from the administration section. Also try uploading a different .ovpn file from another location. Sometimes one server might be busy or blocked by your ISP. If your internet becomes slow, try switching to a nearby server for better speed. Once everything is working, you can also set the router to auto-connect to the VPN every time it restarts. This keeps your whole network protected all the time without you doing anything. And if you still do not have NordVPN or want to switch from another VPN, NordVPN works very well with Nighthawk routers and provides strong speeds and security. You can use the link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price.